In this week's Compiling CS activity, we will be going over data collection. There are many ways to collect data, and one of the most accessible ways is through surveys. One of the largest surveys in the United States is the census. It is a survey done every 10 years by the U.S. Census Bureau that requires each household in the country to report how many people live in that house so that they can gather accurate information of the country's population. You too can easily make your own survey to share with your family and friends and create a graphic to share your data with both Google Forms and Google Sheets. In this video, we will be going over how to use these tools to create your very own data collection survey. To do this, you will need a Google account with access to Google Forms and Google Sheets, and some friends for collecting data. First, you will need to brainstorm a topic of relevance or interest to you that you will be collecting data on. This could range from people's height, preference for food, to number of places they've traveled. Get creative, and you could very well learn something new. Once in Google Forms, hit blank in the top left-hand corner to create a new survey. This will take you to the blank form where you can add the name, description, questions, and answers for your data collection survey. Personally, I'm a sauce guy, so I've always been curious what people's favorite sauces are. So for my survey, I will create one on sauces. And here in the top, I can add my title and description. You can select from what type of survey style below. So you can choose from a menu of multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-down options. Here you can also change the layout, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be keeping it classic with multiple choice. So I can fill out my question. What is your favorite type of sauce? And then as soon as I click option 1, I can begin adding it. So here I will add the sauces. Now I think I've covered most of the sauces in this list, but if someone has a specific type of sauce, we can add an option for people to add other. Once filling out the necessary fields, hit send at the top right-hand corner of the page. Here is where you can send the survey directly to people via their emails, or you can share the link as well. Once you get enough responses, you can then create a graph in Google Sheets to display your data. In Google Drive, open your apps and select Google Sheets. Create a new sheet, just like we did with the forms, by hitting blank in the top left-hand corner. Here we have a fresh sheet with lots of columns and rows. List the options you asked for in your survey in column A. Once you've completed column A, add the number of people that selected those responses next to it in column B. Now that all of my data has been entered, select and highlight all of the options that are available. Make sure all of the cells are highlighted here. Then go above and click Insert and click Chart. Google Sheets will choose what it interprets as the best chart to represent your data. However, you can customize over on the right sidebar your different options and can add in the details that you would want from your graphic. Add the title, size of the text, the colors, and the fonts. And now you have a working chart with your data collection graph.